Class 5. Welcome back to your favorite learning platform, ePathshala. I'm Arushi, your mathematics teacher, and today we will start with chapter 1, that is the fish tail. So in this chapter, we are talking about 4 different types of boat, that is log boat, long tail boat, motor boat and machine boat. So the log boat, its speed is 4 kilometers per hour. That means it travels a distance of 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Similarly, long tail boat, it travels 12 kilometers in 1 hour. Motor boat, it travels 20 kilometers in 1 hour. And machine boat, it travels 22 kilometers in 1 hour. So question is, how long will log boat take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? So in 1 hour, it takes 4 kilometers per hour. So in 2 hours, it travels. So in 2 hours, it will travel this 4 multiplied by 2. That is 8 kilometers. So in 2 hours, it will travel 8 kilometers. But we need 10 kilometers. That means 2 kilometers more. So in half hour, it travels. So if it travels 4 kilometers in 1 hour, so in half hour, it will travel 4 upon 2, that is 2 kilometers. So in half hour, it travels 2 kilometers. Now 8 plus 2, this is 10 kilometers, and time taken for the log boat to travel a distance of 10 kilometers is 2 hours and half. So this is 2.5 hours. Log boat takes to travel a distance of 12 kilometers.